Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss what if I just want to search for a specific category or maybe all the categories based on one specific parameter which does not have any values, right? The empty values, we call it like that way. So for example, let me filter out based on the mechanical elements only. So let me go in my visibility graphics, turn off all the categories except mechanical equipment, and now my goal is I just want to check what if any of the mechanical equipment categories does not have any value in specific parameters. So for example, let me select one mechanical equipment category right now, and that is heat recovery unit. And let's go for mark value. Right now it has some value, so let me clear this one up. If I'll select the remaining one to cross check. Okay, so all the mechanical event categories, or probably I'm just saying like let's filter out like that way. How many mechanical event categories in this particular view are not having mark value? Okay, that is our task. So how we can do that thing based on the filter thing right now, and the same thing will go for the scheduling part as well. Okay, so we know that this specific one right now does not have any value, so it must be visible. Definitely if there is any another one, we'll see if it selects that one as well or not. Okay, now I'll go in my visibility graphics, click on filter. Let's create a new filter. So I'll click right here for new filter, and I'll go for a name, like let's go for heat recovery unit because we are selecting that one only. And the category is mechanical equipment, but definitely you can apply the same one for multiple categories as well. Okay. Now, let me go for the mark value. So I'll go for the mark parameter right here, and I'm going for does not equal. Why does not equal? Because I just wanted to hide all the elements which are having the mark value, right? I just wanted to showcase the elements only which does not have any value in the mark parameter. Okay, so I'm going for does not equal, and right here for the empty values, I'll go for spacebar. Okay, so I'll press the spacebar one time. I'll click on OK, and now I'll add that right here. Now I'll click on visibility should be turned off. Why I'm saying turning off the visibility? Because that filter that I have created, it will select all the elements which are having mark value. Okay, so I do not want to select, I don't want to show those elements which are having the mark values, right? I just want to show the elements which are not having the mark values. So that is why I just turned off the visibility. Click on OK. Now this is the element which does not have the mark value. It's very simple, right? Now let's apply the same thing in scheduling part as well. So let me create the schedule for mechanical equipment, or multi-category schedules as well you can create. So let me go right here in schedule, right click on new schedule, and let me go for mechanical equipment right now. And let me add family and type, count, probably if you want whatever you want, right? Because our main task is to check if that that formula works for us or not. And that's it, I guess. That's it. Now let me go for filter as well. I just want to apply the filter based on mark value equals to, again, spacebar right here one time. Sorting, that is fine. Yeah, but in sorting I just want to go for grand total. Click on OK. Let me see. Yeah, it's one right here. But let's go like that way. Let me go for removing this one. Click on OK. Let's go right here. Let me remove some another one as well. So let me remove this value, this value, this value. So technically there are four uh, mechanical element categories, or the elements are right here, which should be reflected when I'll go for the mark parameter equals to spacebar, right? Total number of four. So let's see. Yeah, it's coming four. So it means this formula works when you search for the space bar, sorry, the empty values for any specific parameter. I guess it'll help you in terms of the scheduling, in terms of the visibility in your view. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.